Life coaching is about unlocking your potential. It's a powerful partnership between you and a coach. You work together to achieve your goals and dreams. Life coaching is action-oriented. You'll create a plan and take steps to make it happen. It's important to understand that life coaching is not therapy. Therapy focuses on healing past wounds and addressing mental health issues. Life coaching, on the other hand, is forward-focused. It helps you create the future you want. Life coaching is about maximizing your present moment. It's about identifying your strengths. You'll break through limiting beliefs. It's about taking charge of your life. Life coaching is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's about creating a life you love. Are you ready to unleash your inner giant? A life coach is a supportive guide and accountability partner. They help you gain clarity on your goals. They help you identify obstacles holding you back. They empower you to overcome challenges. Coaches use powerful questioning techniques. This helps you uncover your values and motivations. They help you develop an action plan. They provide encouragement and support along the way. A good life coach creates a safe and non-judgmental space. You can explore your thoughts and feelings openly. They listen actively and offer perspectives. They challenge you to grow and expand your comfort zone. Remember, a life coach doesn't tell you what to do. They guide you in finding your own answers. They empower you to create the life you desire. Life coaching is a diverse and dynamic field that caters to a wide range of needs and aspirations. Coaches often specialize in areas that align with their passions and expertise. These specializations allow them to provide more focused and effective guidance. Some popular niches include career coaching. This specialization helps individuals find their dream job, navigate complex career transitions, and achieve professional success. Career coaches provide valuable insights and strategies for career advancement. Relationship coaching focuses on improving communication, building stronger connections, and creating fulfilling relationships. Relationship coaches work with couples, families, and individuals to foster healthier interactions. Health and wellness coaching supports clients in adopting healthy habits, managing stress, and improving their overall well-being. This can include guidance on nutrition, exercise, and mental health practices. Financial coaching helps individuals gain control of their finances, create a budget, and achieve their financial goals. Financial coaches provide tools and strategies for effective money management. Business coaching guides entrepreneurs and business owners in developing their business strategies, increasing profitability, and achieving sustainable growth. Business coaches offer expertise in areas such as marketing, operations, and leadership. By specializing in a specific area, life coaches can better tailor their services to meet the unique needs of their clients. This specialization allows for a deeper understanding of the challenges and opportunities within that niche. This targeted approach leads to more effective outcomes and greater client satisfaction. Clients benefit from the coach's specialized knowledge and experience, resulting in a more impactful coaching experience. Life coaching can take place in a variety of settings, offering flexibility and convenience for both coaches and clients. This adaptability ensures that coaching can fit seamlessly into the busy lives of individuals seeking personal growth and development. In-person coaching. Traditional face-to-face sessions, often held in a coach's office or a neutral location like a coffee shop. These settings provide a personal touch and allow for direct, real-time interaction, which can be crucial for building trust and rapport. Virtual coaching. Conducted remotely using video conferencing platforms like Zoom or Skype, allowing coaches to connect with clients worldwide. This method offers unparalleled convenience and accessibility, making it possible for clients to receive coaching from the comfort of their own homes. Group coaching involves facilitating sessions with small groups of individuals who share similar goals, fostering a supportive and collaborative environment. This setting encourages participants to learn from each other's experiences and provides a sense of community. Workshops and retreats. Intensive in-person events designed to provide focused coaching on specific topics or areas of personal growth. These immersive experiences often take place in inspiring locations, offering a break from daily routines and a chance to deeply engage with the material. The chosen setting often depends on the coach's preference, the client's needs, and the type of coaching being offered. Each setting has its unique advantages, and the right choice can enhance the effectiveness of the coaching process. The increasing popularity of virtual coaching has made it easier than ever to access life coaching services from anywhere in the world. This trend is likely to continue growing as technology advances and more people seek flexible, convenient ways to improve their lives. Section 5. Investing in yourself. How life coaches charge. Life coaching is an investment in yourself. Coaches use various pricing models to make their services accessible. Hourly rates. Coaches charge a set fee for each hour of coaching provided. Rates vary based on experience and location. Package deals. Offer a discounted rate for a predetermined number of coaching sessions, often purchased up front. Group coaching programs, typically priced per participant, offering a more affordable option for those seeking group support. Workshops and retreats. Have a fixed fee that covers the cost of attendance, materials, and any included accommodations. Transparency in pricing is crucial. Coaches clearly communicate their fees and payment options up front. This builds trust and ensures a positive client experience. Section 6. Reaping the rewards. Earning potential in life coaching. The earning potential for life coaches varies widely depending on factors such as experience, niche, marketing efforts, and business model. Starting out, new coaches might earn a modest income, focusing on building their client base and gaining experience. Building momentum. As coaches gain experience and positive testimonials, they can increase their rates and attract more clients. Established coaches. Experienced coaches with strong reputations and a loyal following can command premium rates for their services. Top earners. Coaches who have built successful businesses, offer high-value programs, and leverage online platforms can earn substantial incomes. It's important to remember that building a thriving coaching practice takes time, dedication, and a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. Section 7. Expanding your reach. Scaling your coaching business. Once you've established a solid foundation, there are numerous ways to scale your coaching business and increase your income. Online courses. Create and sell digital courses that provide valuable content and coaching on specific topics, reaching a wider audience. Group coaching programs. Offer group coaching programs that leverage your time and expertise, allowing you to work with multiple clients simultaneously. Speaking engagements. Share your knowledge and expertise by speaking at conferences, workshops, and events, attracting new clients and building your brand. Books and products. Write and publish books, workbooks, or other resources that complement your coaching services, generating passive income. By diversifying your income streams and leveraging online platforms, you can create a scalable coaching business that reaches a global audience and generates substantial revenue. Section 8. Building trust and credibility. The power of certification. While not mandatory, obtaining a life coaching certification demonstrates your commitment to professionalism and ethical practice. Credibility. Certification from a reputable organization enhances your credibility, showing potential clients that you have met industry standards. Knowledge and skills. Certification programs provide comprehensive training on coaching methodologies, ethical guidelines, and business practices. Client trust. Clients often feel more confident working with a certified coach, knowing they have undergone rigorous training and adhere to a code of ethics. Networking opportunities. Certification programs offer valuable networking opportunities, connecting you with other coaches and potential mentors. Investing in your professional development through certification can significantly enhance your credibility, attract more clients, and contribute to your long-term success as a life coach. Section 9. Attracting your ideal clients. Marketing strategies for life coaches. Building a successful coaching practice requires effective marketing strategies to attract your ideal clients. Without a solid marketing plan, even the best coaching skills can go unnoticed. Define your niche. Clearly articulate your ideal client and the specific problems you help them solve. Knowing your niche helps you tailor your services and marketing efforts to meet their specific needs. Build a professional website. Create a user-friendly website that showcases your services, testimonials, and contact information. Your website is often the first impression potential clients will have of your business. Content marketing. Share valuable content through blog posts, articles, videos, and social media, establishing yourself as an expert in your field. Consistent content creation helps build trust and keeps your audience engaged. Networking. Attend industry events, connect with potential referral partners, and build relationships with other professionals. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Client testimonials. Request testimonials from satisfied clients to build social proof and demonstrate the value of your services. Positive feedback from real clients can significantly boost your credibility. By implementing a multifaceted marketing strategy, you can effectively reach your target audience, build your brand, and attract a steady stream of ideal clients. A well-rounded approach ensures that you are visible and credible in the eyes of those who need your services the most. Section 10. Embracing the transformational journey conclusion. Life coaching is a powerful and rewarding profession that empowers individuals to unlock their potential and create a life they love. As a life coach, you have the privilege of guiding and supporting others on their journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation. By understanding the key principles of life coaching, specializing in a niche that aligns with your passion, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can build a thriving coaching practice that makes a real difference in the lives of others. The journey of a life coach is one of continuous learning, growth, and contribution. Embrace the challenge, step into your power, and make a lasting impact as you help others achieve their dreams.